Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how cut a video a part of a video CapCut. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is find the part of the video that you want to cut. Say for example, I want to cut the next clip of this video. What you want to do first is find the starting point of the clip that you want to cut and the end point. So let me go ahead and find the starting point now. And once you've got it, click on the video, then hit split. Now let's move on to the end part of the clip. Now let's just find it and do the same thing. We're going to hit split once we've found that part. And after that, we should have something like this. All we have to do now is click on this clip that we just split and hit delete. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.